This is probably one of the best bits of film equipment you can make yourself for just a couple of dollars. It's just a bit of aluminium box, 25mm by 25mm. This one goes back, I see this in film noir book, way back into the 40s. Exactly the same design, homemade again, but professional. Yep, so let me show you something. Let's bring Dave in. Dave, come and stand over here on the mark. And you can see by obviously rotating, we can get the light to where we want it. We can move to a different angle. Yeah, we could use this for backlight, anything you like. You think, okay, yeah, but I've got reflectors, I can do that all day long. Yeah, but we don't need to hold this one. It doesn't need to be held. We can also tilt, use it for under the chin, drop the stand down, lower stand, under the chin. We can turn it round. We've now got our white. We can change that to gold, whatever we want. But what's more useful is if we take this off. Let me show you something here. Obviously our bounce we can use just handheld, as it were. Bits of aluminium box, quite cheap, out of your local sort of DIY store. This is 25mm by 25mm box. The corners, I'll just break one off. The corners these corners you can buy, and you can literally just put them on, fix this together. Take about 20 minutes to make one of these at the most. All you need is a drill, a saw to cut it to the size you want. So that can be, we can make this into your square, or you can make this into your U-piece. So you've got a square and a U-piece, put a bolt through, job done. That's how easy it is. We can also fix gel over here. And put some diffusion. If you made a few of these, you wouldn't need to keep changing, because you could have one for your diffusion, one for your gel, you could have one for your flecky. Yeah. So turn him round, take him up. Let's bring Dave back in. Back over here, Dave. He's a good worker, he is. And bring a light in. Turn him on. And we can turn him up. So here we have, you can see now the light coming through the diffusion. We can turn him down so we can get the right amount of light coming through that diffuse, and that's diffused, so it's quite nice and soft if you want soft lighting. I mean, soft lighting has got its place, as does harsh lighting. So, but for soft lighting, for your everyday kind of interviews, etc., you can have 3-point lighting. You've got your soft box here, or you could use this as your soft box. You could now use a bit of bounce coming off the opposite side. So you've got one light, bounce, backlight. Set up the bounce now. So we've done this. We've filled in this side of the subject. We've got our bounce. We've got our light coming down from our overhead. We've got an 8x8 up top. It's bouncing back onto this reflector, and we've got our spotlight over here on the right hand side and coming through, bouncing back. We've got an electric drill, we could use a portable drill. We've got a long shaft into a bit of fruit, but we've also got, we can flip that around and we've got a blue screen. So if we were shooting with a green apple, for example, we'd go onto a blue screen. So there we are, a little bit of blue screen, green screen on our square frame. Good bit of kit, that square frame. Use it, multiple uses. As you can see, our shaft is holding, and we've also got a blue. We've also got a blue option for the blue screen if we needed it.